Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to ChatGPT. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with ChatGPT. From understanding what it is to learning how to use it effectively for a variety of tasks. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, this video will show you how to make the most out of this powerful AI tool. Let's get started. So what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI language model created by OpenAI, based on GPT-3 and GPT-4 technology. To keep it simple, ChatGPT is like a highly advanced digital assistant that can hold conversations and generate written content on almost any topic. It's trained on a huge amount of text data, which allows it to understand and respond to human-like queries. It can be used for a wide range of tasks, like writing essays, answering questions, solving problems, and even helping with creative work like generating stories and poems. For example, instead of saying, "Write a poem," ask, "Write a poem about the first day of autumn." Ask follow-up questions. If you don't fully understand the answer or want more details, just ask follow-up questions. For example, you can say, "Can you explain that further?" or "Give me an example of what you mean." Refining responses. If you feel that the response isn't quite what you were looking for, ask ChatGPT to adjust it. You can say something like, "Can you make it shorter?" or "Can you explain that in simpler terms?" Exploring use cases. ChatGPT is versatile. You can use it for a variety of tasks like writing, solving coding problems, answering research questions. Sometimes, you may run into a few issues when using ChatGPT. Here's how to troubleshoot common problems. Vague responses. If the answer seems too vague, try rephrasing your question. Be more specific about what you're asking to get a more focused response. Technical glitches. At times, ChatGPT might not respond or could give an error message. This is usually due to server issues, so try again after a few minutes. Limitations. It's important to remember that ChatGPT does not have access to real-time information, so it can't provide current news or live updates. It's also based on data that was available up until its last training. ChatGPT isn't just for answering questions. It's also great for creative tasks. Storytelling. You can use ChatGPT to generate ideas for stories, or even write entire short stories. Just say, "Write a short story about a time traveler," and watch it create something unique. Poetry. Need a quick poem for a special occasion, or just for fun? ChatGPT can generate poems on any topic you choose. Try asking, "Write a poem about love," or "Write a poem about space." Brainstorming. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming ideas. Ask it for video content ideas, blog post topics, or even business strategies. The possibilities are endless. Learning. ChatGPT can also be a powerful learning tool. It can explain concepts in different subjects, help you with homework, or even walk you through coding problems. Just ask, "Can you explain quantum physics in simple terms?" and get an easy-to-understand explanation. That wraps up our beginner's guide to ChatGPT. Party Popper. As you can see, ChatGPT is an incredibly versatile tool that can help you with a variety of tasks. Whether you're looking to write, learn, brainstorm, or just have fun, ChatGPT is here to assist you. Don't hesitate to explore it yourself. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions you may have. I'd love to hear how you're using ChatGPT in your daily life.